今日は英語修理店のエピソードです。英語を勉強している日本人が英語の間違いを正してくれないかと尋ねました。これを実際の会話英語で行ってみます。
皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。 Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Yes, Hikari, I am ready. Thank you for opening the show with that intro. I'm ready, willing, and able to have fun with Social English today on the Social English Podcast. If you are new to the podcast, once again, I'd like to say welcome. Today, we're going to talk about things that need to get fixed by real Japanese people learning English just like you. These are English students or people that are trying to get better at English that asked me to fix their English. So that's what we're going to talk about today. This episode, we're going to get a little bit deep into talking about something that you all may know. We're going to talk about seeing something, a restaurant, izakaya, bar, cafe, bakery that you want to tell your friend about in English. But first, with me, it's very important that you enjoy learning English. So I want you to relax, okay? My friend Sora is going to introduce to you in Japanese how to get ready for the Social English Podcast. Please listen. 聞いてください。
気楽にアメリカ人の友人であるパーシーを招いて落ち着いた雰囲気の中でお気に入りのカフェに座りながら英語を練習して上達しようとしているとします。これからパーシーが今日のトピックについて話しますのでリラックスして聞いてください。
Can you hear the sounds around us? Listen. We are in a cafe in Los Angeles, California, in America. Me and you are sitting talking about how to get better at English. I've invited you here to come sit with me. We're drinking coffee, having a snack, maybe a bagel or a donut or a cake. And we are just having a fun conversation about English conversation and how to get better. Because I'm your friend and I'm here to help you. Okay. So today, what we're going to be talking about is we're going to be talking about our English repair shop episode where we're going to repair and fix the English of someone who asked me to help them with their English. So that's what we're going to do today. First, we're going to talk about how to talk about a new place you want to go to and visited. You visited, finally, you want to talk about it in English. To tell your friends in English about this great new place. Okay? All right. We happen to be talking about a restaurant today. So please listen carefully. First, I will say the wrong, chigao, wrong. Japanese, chigaimasu. The wrong English, the wrong English. Okay? So the incorrect, wrong English from the Japanese student, the Japanese person learning English. Okay? Then I will give you the corrected social English version. Next, I will give you the same social English version in normal English speed. So what we would call fast English. So the next thing will be fast English, normal English speed. Now, after that is done, we will move to the last thing, and I will tell you some final advice about how to fix this sentence if you have this problem so that you can fix it yourself. Okay? Let's start. Kite kudasai. Here is the wrong Japanese student's English. This is the wrong English that the Japanese person asked me to fix. Please listen. Kite kudasai. There was such a place. I happened to pass by and ate delicious soba, and it was a beautiful view. Okay. Some people can already hear the mistakes. If you can hear the mistake already, that's good. Let's think about that for 1 second. What mistakes? How would you fix it? Okay, let's listen one more time. Here's the incorrect English. There was such a place. I happened to pass by and ate delicious soba. And it was a beautiful view. Okay, so that's it. That is the incorrect English passage of sentences that I was asked to fix. Okay, so let's go into the corrected English version next. Please listen. Kite kudasai. I found a great new spot. I passed by a restaurant, decided to go in, and ate some delicious soba. This place also had an amazing view. Okay, one more time, please listen carefully. Kite kudasai. I found a great new spot. I passed by a restaurant, decided to go in, and ate some delicious soba. This place also had an amazing view. Okay. Now, I want you to really understand this and practice this. So please, in your mind or at home or outside in an open spot, try to practice this verbally. Speak it, hanaseru, shaberu. Speak this and repeat after me. Okay, this is practice, Renshu practice for us. Sentence 1. I found a great new spot. I passed by a restaurant, decided to go in, and ate some delicious soba. This place also had an amazing view. Okay, great. Now, one more last time for your natural listening. Just listen to me, listen to my voice. This is the natural speed, or what they call fast English. Natural speed, fast English, regular English speed, normal English speed. Please listen. I found a great new spot. I passed by a restaurant and decided to go in, ate some delicious soba. This place also had an amazing view. I found a great new spot. I passed by a restaurant, decided to go in, and ate some delicious soba. This place also had an amazing view. Okay, that is going to be it for the corrected social English in normal speed. Okay, that's the normal speed you would hear English. Please listen to it again and again. Here's a few tips about social English and regular English. If you see something very nice, some people would just use the word, "It was a beautiful view." But normally in English, we wouldn't say it was a beautiful view. We would say, this place had a beautiful view. Maybe. I'd say maybe only 10% of English speakers use beautiful and view together. Okay? Please listen. Beautiful and view together. What you would mostly hear is amazing. There was an amazing view, a wonderful view, because you want to tell the listener how good this place was, how good the view was. It was so amazing. It was very wonderful. So you don't use beautiful. Beautiful doesn't give the emotion as amazing or wonderful. That's why you would not hear beautiful used with view a lot in English, especially conversational English and social English. Also, when you are speaking with social English, we are talking about communication, speaking in a English environment, a Western English society's environment in social situations. So we're going to choose our English words very carefully. So we also want to do something called emphasize. The word emphasize. Emphasize, some people say, but emphasize. Please do this. Here is no emphasize. We do not emphasize. Listen carefully. It had an amazing view. 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 Okay, now please listen. This is emphasize. This is how we speak in English. social English where we want to emphasize special word. Listen how I emphasize and make stronger the word amazing. Please listen. This place had an amazing view. This place had an amazing view. This place had an amazing view. Okay? You can hear that when I say the word amazing, I am putting emotion into it. I'm speaking with emotion about amazing. Okay? That is what we do in social English. We tell people with our emotion how we feel about the words so that it's communication. The communication that goes to the listener is very strong and they understand, wow, that view was really amazing. Okay, that is going to do it for this episode of the Social English Podcast, and I am certain that it did help you out today. I want to thank you for spending time with me and learning something more from Social English. Please check out our website and also download more episodes, subscribe to the podcast, leave a 5-star review, all that stuff. Actually, I'm going to let my friend Sora talk to you in Japanese about that. Sora will tell you about it and some more things about our show, and Hikari will also close out the show for you today. And I will see you next time. Peace and love. Sora, please take it away.
このショーを気に入っていただけたら、5つ星のレビューをぜひお願いします。コメントは英語か日本語でお書きいただければ喜んで読ませていただきます。realsocialenglish.com にアクセスしてぜひ無料でダウンロードしてください。ほとんどの日本人の英語を勉強している人がやってしまいがちな7つの間違いとその正しい言い方。また、毎日英語を上達させるのに役立つ資料もたくさんあります。Apple Podcast、Google Podcast、Stitcher、そして今はパンドラでもポッドキャストを購読いただきます。支援者になっていただけませんか？私たちがこのショーを作るための支援として$5の寄付をお願いできませんか？今後のエピソードで感謝の気持ちをお伝えします。また、そこでしか利用できない新しいコンテンツも入手できます。patreon.com/socialenglish からご参加ください。ソーシャルメディアで私たちのポッドキャストを友達にシェアしたり、Twitter、Facebook、Instagram のフォローをお願いします。
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイトrealsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.